Hello guys, welcome to Summer Auto Parts. This is Summer. Today is the last working day before Chinese New Year holiday, and today I'm going to introduce the new ambient light kit for Mercedes-Benz S-Class 223. Actually, the kit is available in market around 3 months, but I do not take much promotion because they're too new and most of the markets not launched the car yet. So at the beginning of the new year, I think it's time. So today I'm here and introduce the parts here. First of all, let's look at the 4D tweeter speaker. It's material by the stainless steel and ABS, 64 colors, and the color based on the factory ambient light synchronizing multicolor. And the tweeter speaker is fit for the car 2021 years S-Class W223 sedan, S500, S550, S580. There's one thing you need to notice that it's not available for S Cooper, not at all. The reason for choose some auto parts is obvious qualities, as we can find the ones selling in the market with different type and the face is not shiny as ours. And most important, our backside with 2 details that need to care about when you choose the products online. So let's camera advance to see the details. And on the other hand, we have 2 controllers. This is our controller. Plug and play, no need to code programming. As the issue of chip shortage, the car 2022 coming missing the active ambient light, which makes more and more car owners disappointed. If you want to solve this problem, just contact some auto parts and take the active ambient light kit to upgrade your cars. This car with the best quality in the market, and we can find when you install it to your cars, it will come with the feature of active ambient lighting. We will show the feature by the end of this video. Please be sure to see the end. So, and on the other hand, I think as an electric car, it's not only to sit comfortable, also need to look comfortable. So we upgrade the speaker cover and the roof speaker cover as the luxury design. That make the car much more high-end. Actually, I do not suggest car owners to install all these parts by themselves because it's better to find a professional garage to help upgrade the system. Even it's no need to code program, but also need professional master to open the dashboard to connect wires and the controllers. So let professional people to do the professional thing, especially the electronic products. So by the end, we are going to show the future video after the car with ambient lighting. I hope you guys will like it. If you have any questions or need more information, just contact some auto parts. So by the end, thank you very much for you watching some auto parts YouTube channel, and happy Chinese New Year. See you in February. Thank you. Bye bye.